What's good, everybody? Today we're gonna have a crash course on how to 3D print. Alright, the first step. When you 3D print, you want to make a design. When making your design, come up with a few sketches, go over some ideas with a friend, and get your creative juices really flowing. After you got your final design made, you're going to want to get your design made in 3D. When finding a 3D artist, make sure to see if they will go with your revisions well and be able to bring your vision to life. After you get your design made in 3D, you're going to want to put it in a computer and add your supports. Basically, supports hold up your design when it's getting printed in a 3D printer. After you got your design made and you added the supports, you're ready to print. It's a bunch of different steps to getting ready to print with your 3D printer, but we just gonna go over the basics since it's a crash course. So add your ink and hit print. Print your design and it looks how you want it to look, you're going to want to pop it off the plate. Use a scraper or a spatula. After you get your design off the design plate, what you're going to want to do is give it a wash. You can wash it in soap and water or wash it in alcohol. After your design is washed, you're going to want to cut off the supports. When you're cutting off the supports, use some clippers or a rotary tool to get your design a little smooth. Cut off your supports and you sanded your design down to your liking, you're going to want to cure it. Basically, when you cure your design, you're making it more durable, so it won't break easily. Alright, after you clipped your supports and you cured your design, head to your local hardware store or your art store and get you some dope ass colors and paint that bitch. When you paint your designs, have a dope ass imagination. Add some dope ass colors that you like, but sometimes, trick it out, mix it up. That's how you 3D print. After a while, you're going to make a whole army. Have fun. Peace out, y'all.